Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Where are we going to start today? Lots of short words, that might make it quite a bit more difficult. Anon, don't know what that's going to go with. We've got art and thou, that makes me think like old-timey words. Maybe anon is an old-timey word. Like, wherefore art thou? But I don't know what the fourth one would be, even if it is those 3. Wilt and flop, maybe? I suppose flag and wilt sort of mean to start to get tired. And a bias and a slant are sort of similar. Maybe an angle. There's a slight bias, a slight slant, a slight angle. Maybe a slight a turn or a hole, because they could just be issues with a shelf or something. I don't know. Turn does feel like the most likely, but I'm really not confident. What else? We've got hail. What can that be with hailstones? Flagstone? What other stones could there be? I'm not sure I can think of any. We had hailstones here today, but we don't have other weather phenomena in the grid. Hail a taxi, flag a taxi, wave and whistle. That's got a good shout, I think. Signal down as a taxi. Right. Good. Exactly what I was thinking. What next? We've still got the whole bias and slant issue. Still could be a flop or an angle or a turn. I mean, a turn and a spin are sort of the same. Thou, if it's not going to be something like art thou, as in old words, what else can a thou be? It can go before sand to make thousand. But I don't see how we're going to make a group out of that. Turn table? River bed? Is it just words that can come before furniture? Angle grinder? I've got no idea. Hole and art. Art gallery? Art Garfunkel? I mean, anon can have a C put in front of it. Angle can have try part put in front of it. Angle and art probably can have lots of things put in front of them, to be fair. But I can't see how that's going to be a group. Let's just go and work out what these things are. There's a bias, a slant. If there was lean in the grid, I would definitely go for that. I think we're just going to have to go for these. But then I'm really worried about spin. Spin and flop could be like diving moves, but so could turn and angle, to be fair. But then I don't know how bias and slant are going to fit into it. Feels like there's 6 plausible ones, really. Flop and spin, plus the 4 that I've highlighted. But then flop and wilt feel like they're going to go together. Oh, let's just try these 4. Oh, it's one away. I knew it was going to be. I don't know which one to rule out. I don't know which thing to put in. That's annoying. What is anon going to be? Wilt thou? Maybe it is just old-timey words. Shakespearean words, okay. That is exactly what I said. Right, so, which 4 did I have? Was it these 4? And that was 1 away. Oh, it's going to be Poker terms. That's what the other ones are. The flop, the river, hole cards, and the turn. Cards in Texas Hold'em, therefore. These are the remaining ones. They all mean basically the same thing. Partiality. Ah, that's not really what I said. I was thinking of a shelf leaning rather than a person leaning. Or a politician. But it doesn't matter. I put the right 4 things together eventually. That last group was the yellow group, which allegedly means it's meant to be the easiest. I clearly did not find it the easiest, but I still solved the puzzle in 5. How did you get on with this one? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.